So why we waited till the end to work with colors? The answer is working with colors is easy, pretty easy, if you have the values right. Which means that if you pick the right black and white grayscale values to paint your image, then a color is just a value of hue and saturation on top of everything. Okay, so if you take like an empty layer and change the blending mode to color, and here you go here and you pick like the right value and the right saturation, which means that you can just move here. Okay, you can just move here because we don't care about the brightness. Actually, we don't care about this axis, see white and black. We don't care about that because we already have it there. So we care only about the hue, so the type of color. Okay, and we care about the saturation, which is this, which is the the presence of that color. But once we have that, we can just paint, and the color will basically is going to be mixed with the values, and it will give you the result you may expect. Now let's make a test. Okay, let's steal colors from the original image. Okay, so how can you do that? Well, this is the original image, right, without the saturation on the top. And you can have here medium gray layer. Okay, this is locked, so we need to unlock this, or we can even do this at the top, so we don't have this problem. So medium gray, and then we change the blending mode to luminosity, and what you get is the colors of the image. Since all the values are now medium gray, all you get here, all you get from the image below is saturation and hue, so the colors. Okay, and you can tell if you go up with the saturation, you can tell we have some colors there. See? So now if we take this image here, okay, which looks like pretty desaturated, but anyway, we make like a Control Alt Shift E, we get this see this result, and we move this on the top. Oops, sorry. This one on the top, and we bring it here on top of our image. Maybe the two images will not match because the one on the right I painted, so maybe we are a little bit off with the position of the object. But if you change this to color now, boom, you see you have colors, and you can tell the image is slightly wrong, but anyway, see, we have colors. See? And we can, paint a little bit more here. We can just make it. But anyway, the thing is, colors are just a single layer on top with, the right saturation, the right hue in color mode. Okay. And if you look at the layer itself, it's pretty flat. There's no such, there's not a lot of differences. I mean, they are, but they are kind of subtle. Okay. You can see them only if you increase saturation, see? So yeah, there is a little bit of colors, different colors you need to paint with, but not that many. Okay. And if you want, you can start, all over again. You can like go here again, put this in color mode, and then paint, and you can start like, I don't know, with like some simple values. Okay. Like, I don't know, like a little bit of blue for the sky. See, and you start painting like this. You can even like go like this because we are going to paint over that. See? Now, this is a little bit less saturated, you know, so we can go a little bit less saturated for this area here. Even less. See? Now this brush is too dark, too hard, so we need to okay. And for example, you see this part here is desaturated, so you can do the same, you know, and this part is saturated. So I mean, one idea could be to go up here, make a new layer, and pick a few colors you want to use to paint with, okay, and keep this kind of, you know, color palette always there. Okay, I can just pick it from the other file just because, you know, I don't want to lose time. But you should do this by yourself. See, guessing the color. Maybe we have this kind of, you know, brown. So if you have problems guessing which color to paint with, you know, just find the right color here. Okay, looks like this one. See, maybe a little bit more red. Yeah, okay. And then go upwards like this. This is the value you need to paint with. Oops, sorry. I mean, I can keep this one here, but if I paint here, see? Maybe even too saturated. See? And of course, we have like different values, okay? Different hues, different saturations. So you may think about, you know, just, you know, painting a few areas with like a color, a few areas with another color, and so on. But this is everything, okay? If you have the right values, if you have the right black and white values behind, then colors are just hue and saturation, and they are so easy to, you know, get that everybody can do that.